I came back out about 2 hours later, and the whitecaps have increased on the Hudson, as you can see. I'm gonna go down real quick and take a closer look. Unbelievable, looks like the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, the winds are starting to pick up a little more now than earlier. And so is the rain. It's beginning. We haven't had much rain. I don't want my phone to get wet, so I'm gonna do a quickie here. Whew. There are the whitecaps. And this is much worse than when I would see it before. Whew. The surge went down because before it was coming out over here. Oh my God. The water was coming way up over here before. It's not coming up anymore. Well, it's starting to, but at high tide, I guess the tide went down. Now it's constant crashing waves as if it was a beachhead. Yeah, the tide went down because that house was half covered before. Okay, let me do a few more scenes and I'm out of here. Okay, we're getting another big gust. The rain is pelting it. It hurts. The boats. Alright, let me go back the other way and I'm out. This time for real. Wow-wee. Okay, honey bunny, we're going home. Poor honey bunny, he got wet. The Hudson River looking like the Atlantic or the Pacific Ocean. Wow-wee. This is the beginnings of Hurricane Sandy 2012 at the Hudson River and West 79th Street Boat Basin. Conditions are deteriorating rapidly, and I just came out to get a little additional footage, and I will be getting out of here very soon. Very violent, the Hudson River. You're getting almost 2 feet waves in here. Okay, the Rangers are coming. Let me get out of here. Look at that boat over there. Looks like it's gonna sink. There's the Ranger. Look at all the people coming out to check it out. They're parking their cars and getting out. They're coming down like it's a parade. I guess I'm not the only curious one. All right, let's see. very, very serious microburst. I wonder if they're going to get everybody out of here.
The cars don't move, they're getting tickets. What?
Well, she got on to give that guy a ticket over there. Okay. Okay, we've seen all of this. It's getting really bad. There's hoopla going on. See you later. All hell is breaking loose in New York. Listen to the noise that building makes.